All right, so we have our Google Nest camera, outdoor or indoor battery. Nice little box. I'm gonna take the sticker off, open it up, and we'll see what's inside. All right, so when you open up the box, there's the camera. We take the camera out. It has the QR code sticker on the front of the camera. It's got the magnetic base that is also powering the camera, and you can adjust it and swivel it however you like. On the bottom of the camera we have the charge port as well as a speaker. I'll label those and put those on the screen for you now. So I'm just going to set that off to the side here. And then inside the actual box, we have our setup instructions. Let's get started. The charge cable, USB on one end, and then that magnetic end that goes into the camera, and the block to go into the wall for the camera, or for the charge cable, excuse me. And then underneath that we have a mounting bracket. So this is the mounting bracket that you would put up, and then you would put the camera on there. Once it's mounted, put it on there, and it does actually twist underneath the piece to the side, so you can twist that into place. And then, you know, if you're taking the mounting bracket off, you would twist the mounting bracket and it would come right out. We have the MagSafe cable for steel protection. So you take this piece and screw it into the base of the camera, like so. And then you would attach this end to either your screw or to something on the home so that it doesn't fall. It's harder to steal, that sort of thing. And then it does have a couple of screws and drywall mounts in there. And that is what's inside the box for the Google camera. This sticker, QR sticker off, we have the camera lens. And that is inside the Google camera box. Want more content like this? Consider liking and subscribing to the channel.